Docklands either soars or it tanks. In Q1, Canary Wharf was flying high. The market that virtually invented the phrase boom and bust saw take-up soar 10 times higher than the previous quarter and close in on its 2013 total in just 3 months.
We saw the pre-letting market was strong, so that's EY taking 205,000 square feet at 25 Churchill Place. And then there's the acquisition of grey space, so those deals that are happening elsewhere in the market, the High Speed 2 deal, that was a good example of that. But I think both of those things are going to dry up. There's not too much new space coming to the market, and the grey space is starting to dry out a little bit as well.
It reflects an improved mood in the central London market, with a respectable bag of occupier deals delivered in Q1 and, more importantly, the promise of more to come. In Docklands, there was just one occupier on everyone's lips. At £30 a square foot, Canary Wharf's rents are half those in the city and the cheapest in central London. So was accountancy firm EY simply bargain hunting?
So I think Canary Wharf has changed in the way that the transport works. So the Jubilee line was a little unreliable until the Olympics came along, upgraded the signals and made it a much more reliable service with more trains and longer trains. But also Crossrail coming will make a big difference to the way Canary Wharf works for us, and that makes it a much more interesting and accessible place. So I don't think we were bargain hunting at all, and actually I think the new products down in Canary Wharf, such as 25 Churchill Place, are a pretty premium building and do attract a relatively premium price versus the second-hand stock. Canary Wharf will always be a cheaper location, but it's certainly not a bargain hunt for us at all, and the quality of the building makes a real difference to us.
But with the FCA announcing its move to Stratford, under-offer levels in Q1 low, and take-up by the banks in Docklands at its lowest level for a decade, Canary Wharf's flight might ultimately end up being fleeting. This is Nadia Al-Gamri at Estates Gazette.